Hello, I am Derly Andrade Chacon. I am a student of an environmental engineer. The company that I chose was the supermarket located in my place of residence, which have their solid waste in the river that faces by the sector. It is very painful to watch as they have these ways when you can do other activities with them. The problem in this situation lies in the fact that they are the pollution of a body of water that feed many living beings. The part of the contamination of the water occurs through the food chain, which in the human beings compromise the health of the people. And a solution to this situation is the provision in spines, ecological sorting the waste according to its composition to make the company waste pick up. Thank you.